What's going on, everybody? Ragey Cajun back here again today with another tool haul. Well, I finally found one. Old snap-on box. I had to get it, you know. It's going to be a new addition for the Silverado. But nonetheless, only paid $40 for the box. It's not in bad shape. It's got a bunch of stickers all over it, but I'll take care of that. I'll get the stickers off one of these days. And it's going to be pretty much in the Silverado now. But nonetheless, you know, it's got all my tools in it from the other toolbox. This drawer we got the screwdrivers, the picks, the little nut drivers, small pocket screwdriver, a magnet, a Mac Tools magnet, extendable reach magnet. Just different odds and ends, little bit kits. All my pliers, my wire strippers, my JD-Tico 6-in-1s, pair of JD-Tico flush cuts. One of his first flush cuts that he made or had made. The second drawer's got all my pliers and such, my Quinn needle nose, my Craftsman locking pliers, my tongue and groove pliers, Quinn Lyman pliers, Stanley wire cutters. It's also got my Duralast extra long reach needle nose. It's got some Craftsman USA combination wrenches. Got a adjustable wrench from Crescent. Got a couple pry bars, Husky pry bars, a couple extensions, a 3/8 and a 1/2 inch. Down here, I still got to work the drawers out a little bit. I got to oil the drawers up. Down here, I got a couple dead blows. My Mac dead blow, 32-ounce Mac dead blow. Regular Stanley hammer. All my quarter inch deep sockets, because they wouldn't fit up there. They're down here in this drawer. Yeah, like I said, I got to oil the drawers up. Now up here in the top, I got all my shallow sockets from quarter, 3/8 and 1/2 inch, all 6 and 12 point sockets. Yeah, I got my little Sharpie here. I got some specialty sockets, the lug nut sockets, spark plug sockets, a couple extensions. One was a locking extension. I finally found off the snap-on truck yesterday, the other day, my 1/4 inch 5/8 sockets. They're going to go in the main box whenever we get into our own place again, or whenever I have access to those boxes. That's where these two sockets are going to go. They're not going to stay in this box, but they'll be in there just for now. But it was a good find. I'm happy I found it. Like I said, I only gave like $40 for it. Up here also, I've got my 3/8 Pittsburgh Pro ratchet. I got my Craftsman 1/2 inch ratchet up here. I got the Husky 1/2 inch. Not the Husky, that's a gear wrench. 1/2 inch 84 tooth. Also got a second 1/2 inch Craftsman USA. I'm pretty happy with the box. So, I mean, I got to get the lock replaced because he didn't have the key for it. So, that's no big deal. I can do that. But other than that, I mean, that's going to mark the end of this toolbox tour. And if y'all like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring that bell, because you never know when the next one's coming out. And don't be afraid to look on Facebook Marketplace for deals like this, because this is where I got it. Facebook Marketplace. It is a snap-on box. But other than that, y'all keep those wheels spinning and your beavers grinning, and we'll catch you on the next one. Raging Cajun is out.